Hey, Ty Spongiorno here, courtabuse.org. Hey, check this out. So I filed a motion a few months back. It's now September 2025. And I filed a motion and a supplement motion, and that was for the jurisdictional defect of no adjudication of paternity. So Judge Meryl Wilson of Kansas, not only did he deny the entire motion and the supplement motion, he denied myself a hearing. And specifically in that motion, I had stated I want an emergency hearing regarding this matter. Denied my due process. And then he came up with an order, and I got an email from the court clerk that here's your order. And I'm like, what? I didn't even have a hearing. I requested a hearing. Totally denied my due process. And in his order, he came up with some nonsense, and I called him out. I sent Judge Meryl Wilson an email, and I basically, in my opinion, I basically called him out, and I said, your order is 100% wrong, and I have debunked it, and I did. He also stated in his order for myself never to bring it up again. No adjudication of paternity. Well, what Judge Meryl Wilson doesn't know is that the jurisdictional defect can be waived anytime. And he thinks I'm stupid. These courts think that you and I are stupid, and we're not. We're not. We're tired of this. You know, we're standing up for this. So basically, that hearing. So basically, I filed an appeal, and the appeal's pointless. It's totally pointless. The appeal is going to get denied. I already know, but since there's no adjudication of paternity and it's a jurisdictional defect, it can be waived anytime. And the appeal courts, I already know they're going to say never bring this back to our courts again, which is wrong. They can't do that because lack of jurisdiction can be waived anytime. And they don't know that you and I know that. It's just sad. So basically, I have an appeal. It's going to be denied 100%. I already know that. But what it's doing is it's creating, so don't get discouraged, people. It's creating a paper trail. I really am working very hard on this website and the YouTube channel, working very hard because this has to go nationally. This has to be exposed to media, news outlets, whistleblowers. It all has to be exposed, you know, and it is going to get exposed. So the point of the appeal, even though that I know it's going to get denied and it's a waste of $155 that I have to file an appeal, it's creating a paper trail. That's what it's doing. It's creating a paper trail, and that's the most important thing. But yeah, like I stated before, it's all over our website. There's no adjudication of paternity. In my motions that I filed, in the supplement motions, I even attached the court clerk's email, Aaron Worth. I attached her email, and in her email it says there's no adjudication of paternity. But yet, see, the reason why the courts do not want to establish that there's no adjudication of paternity is because then all orders are void. Every single order is void, and they have been operating outside of jurisdiction, and if that's the case, they're fucked. They're fucked because they have been issuing void orders. And they think I'm stupid. They think I don't know this. You know, when you issue a void order, you're fucked. You're totally fucked. And that's what they've been doing. That's what all these judges have been doing. And that means that they're liable, but state actors protect state actors. It's just sad. So, but yeah, check us out, courtabuse.org. I'm going to attach this video on our YouTube and on our website. I'm going to attach some links with the motions that I was denied in the supplement motion and Judge Meryl Wilson's order. So appreciate it. Out here in this heat, man, doing some landscaping, building this pergola. Man, it's pretty cool. Today's a great day, but these pergolas are pretty cool. You know, it's a Home Depot pergola, but I would have to say, man, it's pretty sturdy. You just got to follow the directions. So courtabuse.org. Appreciate it.